Hello, it is me again, your substitute teacher, Mr. McCloy. Today I'm going to teach you how to find the missing variable. Now this might be a review for some of you because Mr. Welsh went over this on Wednesday. We are going to practice it some more. Now, take a look at these problems I have for you. The first problem I have is 42 plus blank equals 117. Now, we need to figure out what blank is. Now, if we would like to figure that out, the first thing we need to do is identify what problem it is. Is it addition or is it subtraction? Since we know it's addition, we always know that the greatest number is always at the end. Since we know what the greatest number is, we need to find a smaller number. So now we must subtract 117 minus 42. Down here we have cat minus 110 equals 86. The first step is to identify if it's an addition or subtraction problem. We know it is a subtraction problem. We also know that we start with the biggest number in a subtraction problem. We don't know what the biggest number is. So in order to find the biggest number, we must go up, and that means we must add. Down here, 415 minus blank equals 172. Here, we know that is a subtraction problem. That's step one. We identify the problem. We also know that in subtraction, we start with the biggest number. Do we know what the biggest number is? Yes, it's right here in the start. Since we know what the biggest number is, we don't need to go up to the biggest number. We need to go down. And if we need to go down, we must subtract 415 minus 172. Right here, I have basketball plus 812 equals 1,402. We must identify the problem first. It is a plus sign. Since it is an addition sign, we know that it always ends with the greatest number. Yes, we always know it ends with the greatest number. Since it ends with the greatest number, we know that we already have the greatest number. So instead of adding to go up to the greatest number, we must subtract to find the smaller number for basketball. Bigger number goes on top when we subtract. Boys and girls, Mr. Welsh has also informed me that it is very important that you must show place value chart and also show base 10 blocks when you are subtracting. This is all from Mr. McCloy today. Here are your example problems.